Hi everybody, it's Jessica Baker from Alicante Real Estate. I'm standing here in Romero Golf. Romero Golf is a big, huge golf course on the Mediterranean Sea. We are south from Torrevieja, about 20 minutes, and we are about 50 minutes from Alicante Airport, where you can drive over the motorway very easily to come here. Behind me, you see an amazing new build villa. This is the show house actually, so they are putting the furniture inside right now. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom villa with an open kitchen, living and dining area. As you see, a very nice huge garden with your own private pool. You have also a parking space on the front, and as I said, is a new build. This one is key ready. We have another one key ready, just the corner plot, and they're gonna build 6 more of them just down underneath, continue with the amazing view over the golf course, behind my mountains view, and over there you see the sea from the solarium, which every single villa have his private solarium. So if you follow me, I'm gonna show you from inside. Okay, I'm just coming right in now to the front door, which behind you is no more constructions, is all open way, and where it follows to the golf course as well, because it goes once around all the area. You have also a walking way from 5 kilometers where you can walk lovely around the whole golf course. It's very nice to walk in the evenings because you have light, and it's just amazing area, very quiet. You have your own parking space, as you see here on the left-hand side of me. And if we walk a little bit further, you come to the main entrance of the villa. We come in and we come straight in to an open kitchen and dining and living area. As I said before, they just putting the furniture into it because they're gonna deal as a show house, which is still available to buy, but it's not really finished with all the furniture. As you see, it's lovely, full of light. You have a beautiful big window just facing outside to your terrace and your pool area. And directly after the wall, you have the golf course. And as you see, an open, nice kitchen. These houses are all completely with air conditioning. They have solar panels. They have like a robotic control for your heating and cold and warm, and your water boiler. So it's a very high quality what you get here. If you follow me a little bit further, we have behind this, we have a nice wardrobe for storage, as a bedroom with his own bathroom completely with shower plate, and a double bedroom with a nice area for your wardrobes and storage from your clothes or whatever you need. What I love, if you have a little look up there, you have like this indirect light. It makes it nice and cozy, not so lighty. Of course, you have the electricity normally, but you have this indiscreet light what covers the whole house. So if you follow me, we have another upstairs with 2 bedroom more, another bathroom, and of course I'm gonna show you the highlight, which is the solarium on the top, where you have view to the sea, mountains, golf course. Just amazing. Okay, we are ready in the 2nd floor, where I'm gonna show you first of all a beautiful sunny balcony, south facing, with an amazing sea view behind me. Look at that. You have just front sea view, front golf course. You can see your own pool. You have everything you need on this balcony as well, from water connection, electricity. You can cover it with a pergola if you need more shadow, and you can go through the side door as well to come straight in to a main bedroom with a corner wardrobe, big window. This space looks quite very small now, but if I open my arms, you can get easily a double bed in here, and also a little table, side tables. Once it's furnished, it looks quite different. You have also your private bathroom just here with a shower plate to walk in, and a second bedroom which face to the mountain side. As you look through this window, look also this amazing view. Just over all the lemon trees, the orange trees, the mountains on the back, and also the golf course. You have again a wardrobe here. It's very big and spacious, and you have a private bathroom with your shower. You have connection for TV, internet, in every single bedroom, and you can control your air conditioning from every single bedroom, okay? It's like a little robotic system in it. And if you follow me, I'm gonna show you the amazing solarium on top of this villa. Let's go. So as I said, here is the highlight from this villa. Just look, the amazing views from upstairs at your solarium. All you hear here on noise is the shoot of the golf balls the people do on the golf course down there. You have no more noises at all up here. It's just enjoy the sun. Again, is the possibility, as you see down there, to put a pergola on top, have your chill out area, you have water, electricity, everything you need. And behind, you have the huge solar panels which deal for your warm water and electricity in this property is included in the price. So the solarium up here is as big as the property, okay, one floor. As you see, the sea views behind me. And this villa, what I really love is not just the area that you're near to everything you need, like shops, bars, amazing Spanish restaurants, to be honest. You can ask me for that always. Where you can have lovely lunch or dinner, and you're not far away from the motorway to go to the airport. You go to Murcia, wherever you're going to go to view, it's easy from here. So like I said, it's 499,000 it starts here, plus IVA, so that's plus VAT. If you're interested, you know, you just have to call me. It'd be a pleasure to present you the 2 key ready properties still left here, and another 5 to 6 gonna be built underneath there. So just call me. It'd be very nice to give you all the information you need. See you soon back in the sun. Bye.